Your business might be flagged as high risk without you even knowing it until you are declined. Type in your industry plus the phrase high risk merchant. For example, coaching high risk merchant or supplements high risk merchant. If you see your niche pop up on multiple sites, that is a red flag. Processors may already categorize you as high risk. This quick Google search is a good way to see how your industry is viewed. The catch: every provider defines high risk differently. One may decline you outright, while another might approve you but freeze your funds later. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They work with both standard and high risk accounts, so even if you're flagged, they will place you with a bank that fits your business. Plus, you get features like decline recovery to boost approvals and recurring billing for subscription models. You are covered no matter how your niche is labeled. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also find details on the industries they support, including ones other processors avoid. If you want a payment partner that can handle both standard and high risk accounts, the link in the description takes you to EasyPay Direct's sign up page. It is the easiest way to secure stable processing for your business.